While India has now entered Unlock 4.0 and after more than 5 months of a halt, the metro rail services have resumed today. The services will operate in 2 shifts, that is from 7 in the morning to 11 a.m. and then again from 4 in the evening to 8 p.m.
We have made all arrangements to make the travel absolutely safe, and it is right decision that now the metro services have been introduced. People were people were waiting for the metro to start because the metro is the lifeline of Delhi today, and without metro people were facing very difficulty in traveling. So it is a right decision.
The metro rail services were paused on March 22nd. However, the resumption of these services will now take place in a graded or a phased manner. Academic conventions, sports, cultural and religious congregations will also be allowed to organize outdoor activities starting September 21st. There will also be a limit of 100 persons in these gatherings, where the use of protective gear, face masks and social distancing will be made mandatory. The Ministry of Union, Housing and Urban Affairs also called a meeting of all the managing directors of the metro rail corporations to give out the standard operating procedures for the resumption of metro services. The average stoppage time at metro stations from now will be longer, but the metro train will not stop at all stations. Metro corporations will be issuing contactless ticketing methods to limit the spread of coronavirus. Platforms have also been marked for distancing measures and also for the safety of all passengers. The guidelines added that there shall be no restrictions on interstate and intrastate travel from now across the country. Travellers would also not require any separate approval or any kind of e-permit from different states to move around the country. And states and union territories have also been directed not to impose any local lockdowns outside the containment zones without any prior consultation with the central government. Meanwhile, schools and colleges will continue to be closed till the end of this month. States and union territories will also be allowed to make their own assessment as to permit up to 50% of teaching and non-teaching staff to go to schools gradually to kickstart operations in the sector. However, this rule shall be applied only in areas that are outside of containment zones. Now, these containment zones shall be demarcated by the district authorities at the micro level. Health officials will also take into consideration the guidelines imposed by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare with the objective of limiting the chain of transmission. Strict lockdown measures will continue to be in place in all containment zones, and only essential activities will be allowed till September 30th. Senior citizens, people who are suffering from any kind of comorbidities or underlying health conditions, pregnant women and children below the age of 10 years are advised to stay at home except for meeting essential requirements, and that is only case when they should be stepping out. Now, for more details about the resumption of metro services in the national capital, our principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibal gets us this ground report. Listen in.
Well, metro is known as the lifeline of the city, India's national capital, Delhi, and it is now opening after 5 months of closure due to the COVID crisis. I'm standing at the Rajiv Chowk metro station here in the heart of the city, and this is one of the busiest metro stations in the capital, and you can see on the first day provisions have been made when it comes to the entire sanitizing efforts. Masks needs to be carried, and this is something you will have to do. It's mandatory when you are entering into metro. We know that metro will be open phase-wise. As of now, there will be phases. The first line has opened, the other lines will also open. But as of now, the situation is to make sure while it has started, the people can come in. There are due precautions that need to be followed. You need to carry your metro card. The tokens will not be allowed. Other provisions like wearing a mask, social distancing, the normal practices have to be followed.